Hello everyone, it's me again, Nancy, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Help Your Child with Nancy. Have you ever wondered how to explain to your child or children what even and odd numbers are? If you have, then today is your lucky day, and if not, well, this is to help you prepare yourself for the future. So today we are going to be looking at the simple ways we can explain to our little ones what even and odd numbers are and how they can easily identify them. Today I will be using a pen or crayon, whatever you want to use for writing. I'll be using some plain papers, a numicon set, counters. Got some counters for counting, but you can use any item you have at home, such as pencils or Legos, in place of the counters. If you are interested, I will drop a link at the end of the video where you can purchase your counters and numicon set. I have come to find these very useful so far in teaching my little ones maths. So first, you will need to explain to your child what are odd numbers and what are even numbers. So from experience, I've come to explain mine as odd numbers are numbers without friends, and even numbers are numbers with friends. So odd numbers have no friends. Odd numbers have no friends. Even numbers have friends. So what do we mean by this? We're gonna have to I'm gonna give a demonstration of what I mean by that. So you get a plain paper, fold it in half, then in half again. So basically you're getting the plain paper and you're folding it into four. So all we have to do is cut it all out, and we should have this. So we've got four papers here. That's it. So all we want to do is write the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do the same. So we have up to 10. So we're going to follow the same process and have up to 10 of these papers. So now we have all 10 cards. Now remember, you can, if you do decide, you can actually laminate this. So all you have to do is draw, instead of cutting out your papers, just draw it all up and laminate it. That way you actually have it as a proper card if you like, and that way you get to use it over and over again. So with this, now we're going to put the numbers. Number 1, we're just going to make one circle in there. 2, we make the same. We just count 1, 2. Now, but please bear in mind, when you're making your counters, when you're making your circles, you want to fill up the top and the bottom, That's how we want to go. So 1, we just make a 1. For 2, we're going to make 1, 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and make for all of the 10 cards we have. So now we've got all our dots in each box to go with the number on the top. So 1, we've got 1 dot in there. So we now know this makes 1 an odd number because 1 is lonely. It's got no other friends in any of the boxes. So 1 is lonely. So that makes it an odd number. We've got 2, 1, 2. That automatically makes this an even number because number 2 has got a friend. And that's how we go on and on. 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 is an odd number because it's got no friend. There's a lonely one there, which makes this an odd number. We've got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This makes 4 an even number. 5 is an odd number because it's missing a friend. We've got 6, an even number. We've got 7, missing 1, so this makes it an odd number. We've got 8, makes it an even number. 9, it's got a lonely one. And we've got 10, that makes it an even number. So I hope this makes sense and it's easy enough for your little ones to master. Now another trick is using your numicon set. Like I did mention, I will be talking more about numicon set. So I've got my numicon set here. I've come to realize these are very, very useful if you want to make maths fun for your little ones. I will put a link down at the bottom of the video at the end. I will put a link down where you can purchase yours. I have found them very, very useful and I hope you will too. So following our pattern, number 1, it's a lonely one. So automatically this makes number 1 an odd number. We've got 2, it's got a friend. So this makes 2 an even number. And with using the numicon set, it makes it so easy. However way you want to position it, there's always one sticking out. With the 2, however way you want to position it, we know it's got a friend. So with the numicon set, 3, we know it's an odd number. We've got 4, that's an even number. We've got 5, that's one sticking out all alone. That makes it an odd number. We've got a 6. We've got 7. We've got 8. We've got 9. There's one sticking out there. However way you want to position it, there's that one sticking out. So that makes it an odd number. And we've got our 10. That's an even number. They've all got friends. Now, another trick with your numbers, larger numbers, numbers bigger than 10, because right now we've covered 1 to 10. So a trick I have come up with. This is a printout of 1 to 100. I will put a link down where you can print this out for your personal use. I'll have a link at the bottom at the end of the video. So if you look at this closely, we've got numbers 1 to 10 and we've got up to 100 at the bottom. So if you follow the same idea, the same logic we've just discussed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 1, so now we know our number 1 is an odd number. So looking down, we've got 11, 21, 31, 41, and all the way to 91. So what you want to do is look at your number 1. At the end of that, if you close the first one or just look at the end of the numbers, at the end we've got 1, 1, 1, 1, all the way 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So automatically that makes these numbers all odd numbers. So if you look at number 2 as well, 2, we know that's an even number. That's 2, 2, 2, 2. We've got 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Makes it an even number because we've got the numbers 2 at the end of it. And that's how it goes on and on. 3, we know that's an odd number. 4, got all the 4s at the back, makes it an even number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now remember this, every number that has got 0 at the end of it, always at the end of it, is always an even number. So these are simple rules your little ones can follow, and they would master how to identify their odd and even numbers and be able to explain it easy peasy. Odd numbers have no friends, even numbers have friends. I hope you've been able to find this, you found this useful, this video useful. If you have, please leave me a message at the end of it. Please like, subscribe, share. Let me know if there's anything you would like us to cover. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.